I'm going to order a competency evaluation, parental
I'm gonna order you
evaluation.
for a competency evaluation, man. I'm finna sue y'all, man.
You want to know
Not leave
what?
here.
You keep talking, we're going to have a problem.
I'm
Because
not
I'm
gonna
going to
get no
I'm going to
evaluation from
get
you.
through.
You're not gonna do
I'm
to
going to
me
get
again.
through this hearing.
Yeah.
All right.
Not
If you
gonna-
don't want to conduct yourself appropriately, then we'll sit you in back until you can come out and conduct yourself appropriately.
I ain't going to no competency evaluation. I don't need no competency. I had medication I shouldn't even have in me.
I, Cartier Amani Drains, hereby declare that I am a living, breathing human being, a natural person distinct from any legal or corporate entity or fiction. I do not consent to be
Okay.
represented or binded by any assumed legal identity or straw man. I assert my full rights under natural law and constitutional protection as a sovereign individual. I stand before this court to represent myself. All legal matters pertaining to the charges brought against me. I reject any notion or claim that my person may be divided, operated or substituted by any separate legal entity. I affirm that all statements, evidence, and arguments I present are made on behalf of my living self, fully understanding my rights and responsibilities as a free individual.
All right. The court on its own motion is going to adjourn this because we're going to have an issue here. I have a feeling. I'm going to adjourn this probable cause hearing next week, August 7th, 2025. That's at 9 a.m. That is in person. He must be here so that I can hear him clearly in terms of what he wishes to say.
Yes.
Bond at this time will continue. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll follow up with you. Thank you.
58 had my social security backwards and everything. Had me at the wrong birthday. I was born on Christmas, 12/25/66.
Your Honor, we're requesting to adjourn this
Can you
matter.
state your name for the record, sir?
Red Crockett. I haven't
Okay.
had any income or nothing. They shut down. I didn't put my name at this. I didn't put my
Hang
birthday.
on a second, sir. Have you ever gone by the name of Stephen Javon?
Yeah, they had me listed at that name. That's my.
They have that listed as your name, but you're saying your name is something different now?
They had me listed at that name. I didn't know. I woke up from what they were doing to me. I had attempts to kill me, man. I hadn't had a night's sleep or nothing. Right now, my health is down, man. I'm suffering from a gunshot wound from segregation, in which I'm
Okay,
still going through
no.
stuff. I left a hospital with open wounds. Something
Okay.
that happened
Okay, but I just
not
need
too
to
long
know.
ago. And then you were part of something. I'm really excited in conflict of interest with this. I'm really just excited to kill this case, man. Because this case is, they got me the last day of the art fair. The last day of the art fair, I'm asking you to kill the case.
What art fair?
That's what happened to me. They made a false report. They got me.
Okay, all right.
This stuff, crazy
Hold on,
stuff.
hold on. At some point, I myself or some other judge will hear all of your complaints. I just need to know, do I have the person in front of me that this complaint pertains to? So that's why I'm asking you. You've been known by the name Stephen Javon before at some point, correct?
Yeah.
Okay,
Or I was.
all right. Counsel, what do you want to do on this?
Approach, please.
No,
May we
I can't keep going
approach?
because I ain't had no income. I can't keep going with that stuff with it. Just doing stuff to me. I've had
is this
many
gonna be
cases
important?
initiated.
It's okay, yeah, come on.
This is
Okay.
open and shut state.
Go ahead, okay, what are we, record to reflect, you had a brief bench conference in this case, what are we doing with this man?
Your Honor, the people would like to request that there is an order for a competency evaluation. That is on a people's motion. I think that given what we've just heard from the defendant, it's an appropriate request at this time.
Any statement?
Evaluation, and they almost killed me. Man,
Sir,
better get me out this
Sir,
room, man. They
sir,
almost killed me, man.
sir,
I can't keep
sir.
going through this, man.
sir,
I'm not gonna go
Sir.
through no evaluation because I got an education, man. I'm not going through that no more.
Sir.
You did this last time to me, man. It's already a conflict of interest. Yeah. I'm just saying.
I'm gonna say,
he got-
sir, I'm gonna say,
Now,
sir, one
I
more
had a
time.
Reaction to that.
Sir.
Almost was dead from that allergic reaction, man. You and Collins, man. Already a conflict of interest.
I'm gonna order a competency evaluation,
I'm
parental
gonna order you
evaluation.
for a competency evaluation, man. I'm finna sue y'all.
You wanna
I
know
leave
what?
here.
You keep talking, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm
'Cause
not
I'm
gonna
gonna
get no
get through- I'm
evaluation
gonna
from
get
you.
through-
You're not gonna do
I'm
this to
gonna
me
get
again.
through this hearing.
Yeah.
All right?
Not
If
gonna-
you don't want to conduct yourself appropriately, then we'll sit you in back until you can come out and conduct yourself appropriately.
I ain't going to no competency evaluation. I don't need no competency. I had medication I shouldn't even have in me. Almost
I'm gonna
died,
let you
man.
go
I'm not
on
gonna
and try
be
to
in,
get it
I'm
all
not gonna
out.
be under no pressure with no medication. I'm not gonna be taking something that I'm not.
All right, I'll
no.
tell you what I'm gonna do. I've given you 2 warnings. I'm gonna pass the matter. Mr. Allen, you can place him in back. I will decide on what his bond is and everything else. You need to go with my bailiff, sir.
Man, you sitting there, I'm finna.
You need
do
to
a truck,
go with
okay?
them. Call
I'm a-
security, call security down.
Courtroom the same way, but- Man, that's what the same way. You a part of something that did something to me, man. Almost died.
You guys might want to go check back there. That I don't know what's gonna happen. Hi, what about his backpack?
Oh, it's your
I put
backpack?
them in the back.
Oh, I was like,
You can take it home with you. I'm not, well, they'll get it.
yeah.
Just leave it there. I am not worried about that backpack.
Should be.
I'll pass this matter and we'll come back to it,
Thank you.
maybe.